What's up guys, Carolynn Castillo with Team Absolute Top Dollar and eXp Realty. Today we're located at a beautiful property in Jacksonville, located 5 miles to the beach, which is the world famous Neptune Beach in Jacksonville. You will absolutely love living in this location. It is full of all the best restaurants, all the best shopping, and the best part is that this house is almost completely renovated. Let's go take a look at it. Come on guys, let's go take a look. Now I want to show you something amazing about this property. In Jacksonville, you're going to see a lot of homes that have this type of siding, okay? So this is an A-frame construction and all the homes have a siding around it. The awesome thing is that this property was completely re-sided. So this siding here is gonna last you about 30 or 40 years. It's almost like you're buying a brand new house, okay? Now, as you guys come take a look at this property, I love the color. Oh my gosh, do you see this beautiful yellow? All the windows in this home have been updated, so you'll see you've got the brand new windows, and I just love the landscaping. You know, all the little details that this home offers, you're gonna absolutely love. And one of the things also is that you do already have a Ring camera installed here, and you also have a Ring security camera in the front of the house and in the back of the house. Security is always a good thing. So come on inside, let's check this out. You guys are going to love this property. Oh my gosh, it is stunning, okay? So as you walk in, you come into this foyer area with these grand vaulted ceilings, and you're just overwhelmed by the overall brand new floors throughout, these nice dark wood floors. You've got this bright white paint in here. I mean, look at this fireplace. Isn't it gorgeous? This is a real fireplace, guys, getting ready for the winter. What I love about this home is everything has been updated. So we're talking new ceiling fans, new light fixtures, new windows, new blinds. It's incredible. So I'm gonna take you on a tour to this side of the house. To the right, you're gonna have the master suite. And on this side of the house, you're gonna have 2 bedrooms and the kitchen. So let's go look at the master first. Now, you guys know that I'm always a big fan of split floor plans because it really gives the family a nice living space. So this does have an ensuite bathroom in it. And guys, it is gorgeous. Look at this white countertop, white cabinets, gold fixtures. You've got all new accessories, and this is a fully renovated bathroom. Nice tile shower, new window, new light fixture. So fresh, so clean. You also have a complete walk-in closet, so this is perfect. And you've also got an additional laundry closet here. Now, when you go into the master suite, I love it because you have this open, clear view. The windows as well have been updated, and you just see the beautiful garden, the beautiful outside. It's just such a clean design. White everywhere, bright white with the nice dark floors. I mean, it's really to die for. I love the open floor plan here with the vaulted ceilings. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the other 2 rooms. Now in this, you're gonna see that, again, it's a simple, clean, clear. There's nothing that you have to do to this house. You've got these beautiful windows, beautiful new window seals. The closet doors have been redone. The doorknobs have been redone. Everything has been redone in this house. So this is just ready to bring your toothbrush and walk in. This is actually the 3rd bedroom. Perfect with a closet, brand new window, brand new painting. And then check out this bathroom. It's so clean. It's perfect for the kids. Brand new vanity, brand new light, brand new window. You do have the original bathtub, but it works. It's in great shape. It's in great condition. Now let's go into the kitchen. So this, I love houses like this. They're just very like, the floor plan just feels nice and warm and cozy. So you've got all these cabinets right here, which is perfect for like a coffee bar or snacks. And then you've got this open kitchen floor plan, double sinks. The kitchen cabinets and the countertops are original, but you know what? They're clean and they show well. So if you bought this, you could totally just paint these cabinets or just use them. They don't look bad. There are brand new appliances in here, so you will enjoy that. And it's just such a nice, free, open feeling. You've got this breakfast area here. So you've got a breakfast area, a formal dining, and also a living area. Now guys, this is my favorite part, okay? Now, backyards sell houses, and this backyard will definitely sell you, okay? Look at this amazing screened-in porch area. Can you only imagine sitting out here with the family, barbecuing, setting up a TV? This fan here does have a remote control, so that's very nice. And as I mentioned, it also has the Ring security system out here. So when you buy the house, you'll be able to get an app and you can see exactly what's going on in your backyard. Now, come with me. I'm gonna take you out to the backyard. This property is fully fenced, okay? So it's a really nice thing. The owner did a great job with the landscaping, and they even built you a fire pit. So you are actually ready for the winter, for the cold to come in. You can sit here with family and friends and have your fire pit. And it's just a great backyard. As you walk through the backyard, you've got these amazing trees, these huge trees with all these beautiful vines. And you're gonna see when you come through the back of the home is stunning. You've got the brand new siding, you've got the brand new windows, you've got a brand new air conditioning, okay? And remember guys, with that new siding on the house, that is almost like you're buying a brand new house, okay? So I hope you love this, guys, as much as I do. This is a perfect house with a perfect location. If you want to set up a private tour, give me a call. Thank you so much for watching our video, and we'll see you on the next one.